Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on euro currency. So in general, currently we see the action that we have talked about this week. Mostly totally corresponds to the trading plan that we have discussed here on the euro. But the result of this week brings negative surprise to this step. I will show you why. So first, on the daily chart, as you can see, our suggestion was correct. So as soon as market has hit major resistance, this confidence resistance, also it was daily overbought. Market has formed after that reversal swing. So when we saw the reversal swing, we said, well, probably it will take the two-leg retracement on intraday charts because reversal swings, as a rule, trigger continuation. So it very rare stops just by the candle itself and the market turns in the opposite direction. No, as a rule, when reversal session forms, it has the continuation. And this continuation totally corresponds match to our trading plan because we now mostly watching for this reverse head and shoulders pattern. Right, so this left shoulder head now is right shoulder forming, and we indeed need some downward continuation to complete the harmonic balance between the bottoms of the shoulders. So it's approximately should be around 113 area, and that's why the pairing of the reversal candle perfectly matched to overall construction, overall pattern that we have here. So that's great. On the intraday charts, guys, on the 4-hour time frame chart, take a look. We have the perfect bullish scenario because that's our ABCD pattern. Downward action has started from the 222 sell that we have talked about. It's also for those of you who would like to take the short positions, keep an eye on the possible 222 sell pattern. And actually, we've got two of them. First has been formed here on the hourly chart that we have talked about in the beginning of the week. So it can't be seen on the 4-hour time frame chart, but this was actually the first wing. That was second wing of the first 222 pattern. But later, when the market shows the pullback on the reaction of the first pattern, it shows not leg up. And on the 4-hour time frame chart, we've got another 222 sell. So now market is dropping lower, and we have this major ABC top pattern with the OP target is at 1318, in agreement with the 1313 major 618 support that totally corresponds to the bottom of the left shoulder. As a result, we also have Gartner's 222 buy. For the purest sake, we also could keep an eye on, for example, on some bullish reversal pattern on the lower time frame. So, for example, if you drop to the 15-minute chart, you could keep an eye on possible hand and shoulders here, or maybe it will be Gartner's 222 three drive buy, because you can see that here market hasn't quite reached the OP yet, so we need to drop a bit more. So that's why here we could get not the hand shoulders, but maybe it will be three drive pattern. So here with this setup we don't have any problems. But now, guys, the most important thing for this setup, with this drop lower, with this reversal candle here on the weekly chart, we've got the bearish grabber. And this bearish grabber suggests the taking out of these lows. So it put the shadow on overall bullish pattern that we are watching. So this is really a bad surprise that we've gotten as a result of this week. It means that the trading this pattern long and trying to take position here, where we have suggested, brings more risk right now than it was initially. Still, I think that anyway we could try to do this. So as usual, when we have some strong support area, because this will be, take a look, the agreement support, I think that at the first touch probably we should get here some bounce. Maybe it will not be very significant, but 35 pips probably should happen. And that led us to put our stops on break even. So that's one of the adjustments that we could make to the trading plan. Second adjustment, that if market somehow will not reestablish upward action here and drop lower below the 113 area, start dropping lower, it will mean by this moment our position already will be closed. So it will mean that grabber that we have on the weekly chart starts to work. And it will lead to taking out of these lows and drop to the 111.85, our next downside target that we have on the weekly chart with a high probability. So that's 2 months to keep an eye on. So we should be extra careful with any long position that we will take on the coming week, despite that we have the perfect picture from the technical point of view on the market. And in general, guys, final thing, that if you'll take a look at the hand shoulders here, let's take a look at the left side looks as it should be. So here on the left side, the bears still control the market. Retracement looks gradual, downward action stands straightforward. Here we have a bit different action. That action is a bit slower than this one. And take a look, the downward sell-off is also stronger. So this is kind of the sign that maybe indeed some problems exist with these hand shoulders, but this is just this is minor thing, but still with the grabber that we have on the weekly chart, even minor details could be important. So that being said, on the beginning of next week, we could try to take the long position here because we do not know what will happen. Maybe some news will be released, something will change, maybe grabber will fail. It's also is possible. With the attempt when we take the long position here, also as I said, we could keep an eye on the 15-minute chart, watch for patterns. With the pullback here, move stops to the break-even and watch what will happen. If market will reestablish upward direction, taking out the 8 points, will be everything is great. If somehow after minor pullback market drop below 113 area, this will be a big chance that overall hand shoulders pattern probably will fail and market taking out of these lows.